All right, guys, we got another beautiful park model. Again, we got that beautiful premium ribbed metal siding with the cedar trim on the front. You can see on the end here, you got your Bosch mini split. This one is set up as a 1-bed, 1-bath. Customer order here. This one's getting ready to ship out, so I wanted to make a quick video real fast of it before it ships out. This one's got something pretty unique in it that you guys have not seen before. You can see they got it all taped up so the doors don't open up during transportation. But look what we got here in this corner. It's got a little mini fireplace right there in the corner. It goes right out the top. Isn't that cool? Little mini wood burning stove or pellet stove. You got your Bosch mini split. Again, this is where your living room is going to be. Nice open concept. You got your quartz countertops, 4-burner stove, General Electric appliances. You got your refrigerator spot here for your clothes. You hang up your jackets. Go down the hallway. Open this up. And again, we're getting ready to ship it, so we got it all taped off because this has been sold. So that way everything doesn't swing open during transportation. But as you can see, you get the toilet seat taped down there on the ground. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Over here, you got a closet down in the hallway. And last but not least, look at those nice big open sliding doors. You got your built-in. That'll fit a queen size bed, closet space on the bottom. Just beautiful. All kinds of cabinet space. There's your electrical panel. There is your Bosch mini split. And there's huge windows. Again, Anderson double pane windows. Lots of storage. I just love those sliders at the end. All that natural light coming in. You can build a little porch off the end of that. And again, just a beautiful park model RV. Give us a call, guys. 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you are interested in purchasing a beautiful Amish built park model from us. It's a long haul down here. Jump down. Let me show you the outside of it one last time. And isn't that pretty? Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin out on your land. Okay, we are AmishBuiltCabins.com. All right, let's say you're looking for a beautiful little park model for sale built by the Amish. This one's got about a 412 pitch on it. Got that metal siding on it, white windows, Anderson windows, double pane, easy clean. Let me open this up and take you all inside real quick. Big step up. And again, there you go. Open concept. Got a spot there for your stove, refrigerator. I like that color blue. You got your open concept living room over here. White birch walls, LED lights, all kinds of window light coming in. Go on to the back. Got your full walk-in shower, your commode, mirror, and then of course you got your bedroom here in the back. Got a spot for your stackable washer. This one's been sold, so we got everything kind of broken apart right now, ready to ship. You got your closet over here. I just wanted to make, there's your 20-gallon water heater, master bedroom. Just wanted to make a quick video real fast before they ship it off. The Amish were nice enough to let me videotape it for us real quick. So again, just looking for a small home for your land. We can either build this on skids or we can build it just like you see it here on a trailer where you can pull it around where you need it to go. Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin or park model out on your land. Okay? Again, that's 812-595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day. Come back and see us. All right, let's say you guys are just looking for a beautiful, your dream cabin, you're downsizing, or you want to upsize, right? I don't know, which angle you're coming from, but this one here is the Appalachian cabin, guys. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this thing. Look at these steps. They're made of half logs. And look at the views, 20-foot high ceilings. Just a beautiful cabin, guys. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033 if you're interested in an Amish built cabin. These are just lovely. Let me hit the lights here. There you go. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Got a little study desk over here behind me. That door goes into your full loft area. We can also leave it wide open if you want as well. And look at those steps, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Built by the Amish. We ship them all over the United States, guys. Look at the quality. Give us a call today if you're interested in a cabin. Let's get you one of these beautiful cabins on your land. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I love this cabin. This is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. And to me, it's like the dream home, when you're ready to hang up your cleats, you've put in your time, you're ready to retire. This is the one that you can really call home, right? This is the one you can really call home. Look at that. I love this open concept here, right? I love that open concept. I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6". So I love when I go into a home and the home makes me feel small, because most of the time I'm trying to squeeze in to places. Well, not here, guys. Not here. Here, this feels like home. You know what I'm saying? Put one of these out and you land out in the woods and call it a day. Just put your feet up and relax. Enjoy your retirement. What more can you ask for? I mean, really, what more can you ask for? Remember, all your brand name appliances are included. You got your Frigidaire, you got your dishwasher, Whirlpool, microwave, you got your stove. Look at them handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Now remember, some of this stuff, like these steps, some of these cabinets, these are upgrades now. So keep that in mind. The Amish put the good stuff out on display now. So keep that in mind. Some of what you see here is definitely upgrades, but nonetheless, I mean, you see the beauty in it. You see how beautiful this model is right here. You see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Underneath them steps, full logs. Got a little spot here for your dog or your cat. Going down the hallway again. To the right, you got inside this is your water heater. Got your water heater right there. Got some more handcrafted cabinets. You got your side-by-side washer and dryer. Out there, you got your little back porch you can put out there. Open this up. You got your 200 amp electric ready to go. Got your thermostat here for a little baseboard heater. Okay, you come back out. Remember, this one here is a 3-bed, 2-bath downstairs. And then you got the loft upstairs, making it a 4-bed, 2-bath. And then you'll see we have the option to add a bathroom in the loft upstairs to make it a 4-bed, 3-bath. Okay. So you see how we got the beautiful, the bathroom area here. Got your commode back there. Okay. There you go. Little closet right over here. Just beautifully done. You know what I'm saying? Just beautifully done. Going down the hallway. They got that set up as a little office. But before we go down there, look at this. Got a twin set of beds for the kids' room. Everybody always asks, where's the closets? Where's the closets? Well, here's the closet right here. There's the closet. Even got a little vacuum in there. So there's your closet. Okay. And then over here, bedroom number 2. Again, you do have a closet right over here in bedroom number 2. There you go, a couple of windows. And then here we go into bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. Beautiful. That's a huge king size Amish built bed. You got your mini split up there. This overlooks the front porch, by the way. So there's your front porch. And let me give you this angle here. Again, you got another window over here, right? And behind that door, everybody always asks about closets again, right? So let me show you the closet so I don't miss out on that. You got a nice size closet in here. Hit the light. There you go. Good size closet. It even got a little pocket door with it. Inside the master bedroom. Everybody always asks, where's the closet? So I want to show that behind the door here in the master. And I don't want to forget nothing, because sometimes I make these videos and I didn't see the closet. I'm like, just chill. It got a closet. Trust me, it got a closet, you know. So again, going into the bathroom area, you got your his and hers. Beautifully done. Okay. And close that door. Again, you got another bathroom closet here for your bathroom essentials. Right over here. Got your shower. And remember, guys, if there's something y'all don't like as far as the design goes, remember, you can customize this cabin so you're not stuck to getting it done the way you see it here. You can always customize it, okay? And then you got a window here facing the front porch. Of course, you got privacy curtains and all that. And you got your commode right there. And again, we can move things around if you so desire us to do so. We can move things around. So, with that said, isn't that beautiful, guys? Is that not beautiful? I'm trying to make sure I get all the angles of this cabin, because when I film it, it's sometimes difficult to get all the different angles there. But today I'm determined to take my time with it and show you all as much of it. Again, behind the door, you got that closet. There's your remote control for your mini split, your light switches. Again, three bedrooms, 2 bath. You got your communal bathroom in the master, and then your shared bathroom down here. Okay. So go on up to the front again. And I just like stopping here and showing you all these views. 20-foot high ceilings. Look at this. Tell me that's not a beautiful cabin, guys.